Hey gorgeous, welcome. So we're in this season where we've been getting a whole lot of braids, twists, mini twists, those kind of hairstyles, and they always have a tendency of knotting up and leaving this white residue on the hair. It always results in so much breakage when not handled well. So in this video I'm going to be showing you the safest way to remove them. So if that is something that you'd be interested in, then stay tuned. So in this bottle I have mixed in half of water and half of conditioner. I am currently using the protein feed conditioner, but you're free to use whatever conditioner you like. So here I'm putting a hefty amount of it and just working that conditioner into the hair, especially on the roots, so that it can begin to break down the knots for me, so that when I have to actually do the work, it's not that bad. Okay, all right. So that's step number one, putting in the conditioner and making sure, working it in and making sure that it breaks down the bonds that have been made by the knots. So I just separated my hair into the part that had the box braid, and as you can see, the conditioner has done most of the work. So what I just have to do now is just to separate little pieces of hair strands at a time, just to make sure that I do not at all break my hair. You will see on another part where there is a bit of more resistance, but this is the result of using conditioner. So demonstration and actually looking is the best teacher, so I'm just going to allow you guys to watch the rest of this part and follow through as well, and then I'll catch you guys later. And so this is optional, but I just take a brush when I'm done, just to brush through my hair. Remember, it's well detangled, so using a tool won't be such a problem. So I just do that just to be able to remove all that build up that's there, and then moving on to the next section. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. See you guys in the next one.